Meghalaya Power Minister A.T. Mondal yesterday said that the state has not gone for any load shedding as of now, and the power department is working to see as far as possible, aiming to provide an uninterrupted power supply as mandated by the Chief Minister. The Power Minister said, like last year, the rainfall is delayed in the state. Admitting that there are shutdowns because of maintenance work, he said there is gusty wind, which create problems. He, however, acknowledges that till now the state has sufficient power as the state is trying to avoid load shedding as early as possible.
Now we are trying our level best to see that we don't go for any load shedding. But as all of you are aware that our major source of electricity is from hydropowers, state-owned hydropowers, and this depends on the rainfall. This year also, like last year, the rain is a little bit delaying, and we are just hoping that it should land in Meghalaya maybe in next couple of weeks. And if that is the case, then hopefully we will not go for any load shedding.
Power Minister A.T. Mondal said the